Test out your program during your work. Test out your program. You can test out your new programs immediately like what we showed in the previous lecture. So a good practice is to have your command prompt open at the same time that you have your text editor open. When you save your changes in your text editor, you can immediately run the program from the command line, allowing you to quickly test the changes.